What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I balance my Pokemon business with a 9 to 5. First, I want to thank you all for the subs and the likes. It truly means a lot to me, and I am glad that my videos are providing value to you all, and I hope I can continue doing that. So if you want to join the community, just subscribe and you'll be notified whenever I make posts. So let's get into the video. When I first started this eBay business, my sales were a lot slower and I wasn't as busy, and I was also in college during like COVID time, so I was able to deal with remote classes and not be fully tied to anything else, so I could focus on selling the cards and just building the storefront. But now I work a 9 to 5 as a software engineer, so it's a lot harder to balance my time, and you need to really prioritize your time, basically. So the first thing that you need to prioritize is listing your cards. And I would only recommend listing stuff that you think will sell and that has a lot of like demand or a high price. Because if you're spending a lot of time dealing with like very low end cards and listing them on eBay for $1, you can only list like probably at most 30 an hour, and that would take you one, a lot of time, and two, won't return as much value as you might want, especially if you have a job already. So you want to focus on the more expensive cards and more in-demand stuff. Also, I would prioritize making listings with multiple quantities. So instead of listing just this one Umbreon card, I would list one listing with 3 of them. And then that way you do the same amount of time that it would put to one listing, but you would be able to get more sales. The next thing I would prioritize is getting all of your stuff done whenever you can. And this can be 20 minutes in one setting, 20 minutes another time, and it adds up, and then overall you will get everything done rather than just booking off a time to get everything done at once, because your day can be very unpredictable and you never know when you might get like unexpectedly busy with something. So you're going to want to be able to get it done in increments if you have free time. So just always utilize your free time. One of the biggest issues is dealing with just like a lot of distractions. For example, I'll be on TikTok for like an hour, and that hour could be used to list more cards or package orders, prep stuff. So you just want to be able to prioritize your free time a lot better, because that will pay off a lot overall. Another important thing is having your inventory sorted properly and organized. If you have your bunch of cards just spread out on a table or thrown around and you don't know where stuff is, one, it can lead to you losing out on a lot of sales because you'll sell the item and then you won't be able to find it. And two, it will take you a lot longer to find the cards if they're not organized. And this might work if you have like 10 listings, but if you have over 10,000 listings like I do, like this, you're going to want to organize it as much as possible. And the way I do it is by organizing by set and then alphabet within the set. I make around 30 orders per day, varying between 1 to 10 items on each order. And this setup has helped me a lot in saving the time when I'm doing the orders. Another thing is, when listing, you're going to want to list all at once, which is different than what I said with the prepping and doing other stuff. But I found that listing, like dedicating a certain time to only listing, it actually makes it a lot faster. And I actually made a video that I'll probably put up here earlier about how I list like 100 cards in an hour. And hopefully you guys find it very helpful, because for me, it has helped grow my business a lot. Because if I have to deal with listing cards and I do it very slow, then it will, one, prevent me from listing a lot, and also would make me not be able to grow my store as much. If you're interested in what I do for my exact scenario, is I'll go to work, and when I come home, I'll usually go to the gym, and then I will kind of relax a little bit. Then I just start prepping the orders. Like, I'll pull them all out, and then I'll print the labels and package them and just get it shipped. If I have extra time, I'll start listing stuff. And then if I have even more time, I'll start preparing stuff for the next day, which can be organizing stuff, getting stuff ready to list, or prepping my prepackaged lots. And actually, I have another video where I show a day in the life of what I do as a reseller and how I manage my time. But yeah, overall, the number one thing you want to do is focus on prioritizing your free time. You want to be as efficient as possible when you're working, and always use your spare amounts of free time to continue working instead of just doing nothing or going on your phone, because it might be relaxing in the moment, but it'll be more worth it to work in your free time than to just go on TikTok or waste your time elsewhere. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please let me know down below. And if you are interested in seeing any other videos, let me know as well, and I will try to make them for you. So yeah, thank you all. Bye.